The carburetor brings fuel and air together in the perfect ratio for combustion. The carburetor has many tiny passages that route fuel through it. If dirt or corrosion plugs these passages, the engine will run poorly or not start at all. A carburetor can be cleaned and rebuilt, but often it is cheaper or faster to just simply replace it. Replacing your engine's carburetor is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll start by removing the air filter cover and the air filter. Now remove the two nuts that secure the airbox. With the nuts removed, I can pull the airbox away from the carburetor. Next, I'll remove the primer bulb from the airbox. The primer bulb is held in place with a couple of plastic tabs. I'll use a pair of needle nose pliers to squeeze the tabs and remove the primer bulb. Next, I need to access the throttle linkage so I can remove it from the carburetor. To do that, I'll need to remove the starter and the side housing. With the flywheel side housing removed, now I can pull the trigger away from the opposite housing and remove the linkage from the carburetor. Now I'll remove the carburetor gasket and pull the carburetor away from the studs. And disconnect the fuel lines. I'll also remove the inner gasket. Now I can install the new carburetor. First, I'll install the new inner gasket that came with the carburetor kit. Now I'll reconnect the fuel lines to the carburetor. And I'll slide the carburetor back over the mounting studs. I'll reconnect the throttle linkage and place the throttle trigger back into the housing. Now I'll reinstall the outer carburetor gasket that came with the kit. And now I'll reinstall the housings. And now reinstall the starter. And now reinstall the airbox. I'll snap the primer bulb back into the airbox. Align the airbox with the studs. And secure it with the nuts. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the air filter and the air filter cover. And that's all it takes to install a carburetor on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.